Hey guys, welcome back to our another tutorial video. So in today's following video, I'm gonna walk you through how to sign up or how to create an account in Crumbl app on your device. So to know more about this app, you need to watch this video till the very end. Let's get into the video. So as we know that the Crumbl cookie app lets you order gourmet cookies, view weekly flavors, customize orders on UARTs and find nearby stores, and you can also purchase gift cards and track your loyalty points. So to sign up or to create an account in this app, you need to click on this option more, which is at the very bottom right. Also here you can see that three dot icon inside the square box. You just need to click on this option more, and after that you just need to enter your first and last name. That is, so after completing entering your name, you just need to enter your mobile number and make sure that your mobile number is from United States, because Crumbl is available in United States. So just need to enter your phone number over here, and after a few seconds this app will send you a confirmation code, and after that you just need to fill out the confirmation code and you will be created an account in Crumbl app on your device. That's very easy to just create an account in Crumbl app. So that's it for today. Hope this video helped you. If this video helped you, do not forget to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon of our channel. Thank you and see you in the next video.